Hey, my prepper posse. Yeah, it was done yesterday, but I had to go run around and do stuff. So, I'm showing you. And because it's not raining, I guess I'm going to put the rubber coating on it to protect it. I'm going to use the Flex Seal. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Whoa. So there's plenty of room in here. And I can still, of course, look out my back windows, which was real important to me. Got to be able to see out the back. And no, I'm not doing cameras and all that crap. No, but it's nice to be able to turn around and see. So once I get all the rubber coating on, I'll dress her up some more. So the dogs will be in their cages back here in our tubs. And then when we're on the road, being frugal, you know, we can lay out at a rest area, or one of us can lay out flat and rest while the other one's driving. We'll see how it rolls. And you'll be with us. This is from the inside of the truck. Let's see out back. Alright, I'll do another video in a bit. Don't forget to play. See you.